Hello everyone. Today we are looking at this beautiful two-bedroom traditional stone house situated in the historic center of Guilmi at walking distance from basic facilities with two bathrooms, a balcony with panoramic view of the countryside and the Mayalla mountain. And here we are in the historic center of Guilmi, but it is still reachable very comfortably by a car. And Guilmi is located at approximately 40 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast, and it is a peaceful village with basic facilities. The property measures approximately 105 square meters and avails of two entrances, and it is arranged over three floors. Here we find the entrance to the semi-basement floor, where we find this taverna in perfect conditions with exposed stone and stone arches and star vaulted ceilings. So this room has its own independent entrance, but it is also internally connected to the ground floor. So it will be perfect as a large living area or used as a taverna or a self-contained unit. Now the kitchen is upstairs, but it would be nice to have a kitchen and living area on this floor. So now we can reach the ground floor of the stone house. And here we find this landing, where we find a bathroom and a toilet that could be converted into a larger bathroom with shower or bathtub. And as you can see on this floor and the semi-basement floor, the house avails of central heating system connected to main gas. And on the same floor, we find this big room that is now used as a kitchen. Here we find a big water tank, really useful in case of water shortage. And the second entrance to the house that's located on the side of the property into a small and quiet little alley of the historic center. And from the ground floor, we reach the first floor, where the sleeping area is located at the moment. Where we find this large master bedroom. with access to the balcony with a beautiful panoramic view on the historic center and the surrounding mountains. And proceeding, on the same floor we find also the second bedroom. It is now used as a single bedroom, but it is big enough to be a double bedroom. And completes the floor a full bathroom with bathtub. This floor doesn't avail of gas centrating system at the moment. But all utilities are already connected, including gas, electricity, and water. Central heating system is present in the semi-basement and ground floor. And the house also avails of a water tank, very useful in case of water shortage. The house is in good habitable condition. It just needs some cosmetic and maintenance work. And if you're interested for more information, you can check the link in the description box, or you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.